Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the second week of the Glossybox Advent Calendar reviews. I did the first week last Friday, so if you want to check that one out then that'll be last Friday, and then today is the second week. So I'm going to show you what I got and we'll try out some of the products and see what they're like. Right, so on the 5th I got the Lime Crime liquid lipstick. It's just a mini, but it's a fairly decent size for a mini, and I used to use these all the time. I used to love them, and I don't know why, I just didn't get any for a while. No particular reason, I just forgot about them I think. So it's in a really nice festive Christmassy red, so that's a really nice colour. And then on the 6th I got the Lee Stafford Hair Apology Treatment Spray. I'm obviously not going to test this on the video today because, you know, I'm not going to jump in the shower and wash my hair and everything when I'm mid doing makeup. So, but basically I have been using this every day since I opened it, and yeah, it's really good. My hair's really soft and nice and shiny, and even the rough sort of split ends are a lot better than they were, and my hair needs a lot of help, believe me. It's been through a lot. So yeah, definitely recommend that. And then on the 7th I got this. I really wanted to try some of this actually, the Glossybox Skincare 3-in-1 Moisturiser, Plumps, Primes and Protects. So I'm going to use this as a primer today. But yeah, it looks pretty good actually. So it's got some really good reviews. On the 8th I got a bath bomb, a bubble tea bath bomb, which I'm not going to lie, I've already used. I couldn't wait. So what I'll do is I'll just pop a little picture here of just after I opened it. But yeah, that was really nice. And then the 9th I've got the Makeup Academy Brown Define Eyebrow Pencil. Quite a risky thing to put an eyebrow pencil in an advent calendar, you know, because you don't know what shade someone's going to be, do you? Someone could be like have really black hair, someone could be really blonde, or you know, even like a redhead or something, but whatever. But yeah, this is actually in a mid brown, which probably is my colour anyway, so that's a bonus. But yeah, so there's that. And then on the 10th, which I'm really excited about, is the Zoeva Screen Queen highlighter palette, and this is stunning. I haven't tried any Zoeva makeup products, but I really wanted to, so I'm really happy I got this. But it's these shades here, so they're really nice. And then on the 11th I got the Frank Body Guess What You'll Be Naked in a Minute. Alright Frank, calm down. So yeah, that is a coffee body scrub. So I do like a body scrub, so yeah, obviously I'm not going to use that either on the video, but yeah, I'm just showing you anyway. Right, so there we go. So let's get trying them out. Right, so hair up my face. And the first thing I'm going to use is the primer, or the 3-in-1 moisturiser from Glossybox Skincare. So we've got a little squeezy tube and there's 50ml in there. Very subtle scent. I don't really know what scent it is. It's just like it smells a bit like baby powder, like a really like natural, yeah, very mild scent, which is a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna whack that all over. That actually feels really nice. It soaks in quite quickly, like a primer would. It feels lovely. Just feels quite pore filling, if you know what I mean, like a pore filling primer would. Doesn't feel silicone-y or anything like that. It's yeah, it feels really nice. Like that. Right, so the next thing that I will be trying out is the Makeup Academy eyebrow pencil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go away, do my base up until highlighter, because we've got that to try as well, and my eyes up until brows, and then I'll be back. Right, okay, so there's the rest of my makeup done. I wouldn't normally go all out like this on my eyes. I've just actually filmed this for another look, which will be up next week. But yeah, anyway. So next we're going to do brows. So for those, they're terrible, my brows are at the minute. I need to sort them out. So I'm going to pop on, just first, I'm just going to set them. This is just the 24-hour brow setter, which obviously wasn't from the calendar, but is needed. Right. Kind of done something with them. Honestly, they're awful. You can barely see them because I'm naturally more like a mid to dark blonde, and yeah, my eyebrows are virtually transparent. You just can't see them. They're awful. There's hairs there, you just can't see them. Mind you, I've got hairs all the way down to my eyelid as well at the moment, which is not the best. I'll get this bloody packaging off. Right, okay, so here it is. Packaging is now eventually off. So we've got a pencil with a sharpener one end, and then we have a brush the other end. So I don't like how flat that is, so that definitely needs sharpening. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So it's weird because I used the sharpener that was on the pencil, but because it's obviously quite short, it's got like a little ball on the end. Anyway, right, so I'm going to just do this brow. It's quite nice and creamy, it goes on quite nice. It's quite a good colour match as well, actually. Baby, this year it's just... And then I'm just going to do these hairs at the front here. That's the best we're going to get. Quite hard to do because it is quite a thick pencil and I'm not used to that. I normally use the little really skinny, like the micro brow pencils, but it's not bad. It's they look alright. Right, so I'll just do the other one. There we go. So it's not bad. I don't normally like the thicker pencils. I normally like, you know, the skinny, precise ones that you normally wind up. But because I like here, I don't actually get any growth. Medication and yeah, past illnesses and stuff, but anyway, I don't actually get any growth of hair sort of on this front part of my brow, and I like to kind of fill that in with a really hair fine pencil. But yeah, I mean it's not too bad. It's just a little bit more blocky than I'd normally like. But yeah, colour match is good though, and it was really nice creamy pencil. Right, so highlighter. So we're going in with this Zoeva Palette, and straight away the one that's looking at me is this one here on the end, which is like a champagne colour. I will swatch them all for you so you can see all of them. Call that one the dark one. It's nice though. Right, so this is the champagne colour. God, I'm so pale, it's hard to see. This is the darker one. It's actually a really nice colour. And yeah, this one is the middle pinkier one. Yeah, so you can't really see them on my extremely pale skin, but yeah, but I'm going for that champagne. So I'm just going in with my brush. This is actually a Zoeva one as well. Right. Just see if I've picked any up. Right, we'll see. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. It's quite nice. I wouldn't say it's my favourite, but yeah, it's nice. Quite a cast on it as well, and that was probably one of the paler ones that I used there. The swatch is nice. It's got quite big chunks. It's like chunky, which is why I didn't really feel I was picking much up on the brush. It's a lot more goldy tone than I thought it was. I'm not sure. Just gonna use my sponge just to dull it down a little bit.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Whoa, oh, oh.
I'm not really liking this cast it's given me here. It's kind of just, I don't know if you can see it when I look forward. Yeah. Not sure. What do you think? I'm not sure. Right. Okay, so for lips, this, I don't think this is actually going to go. Well, it looked very Christmassy, won't it? Red and green. But I'm going to try the lime crime, the lime crime liquid lipstick anyway. So, right. It's very red, which is nice.
It's just gonna be you and me, hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and
I always find tricky with liquid lipsticks is evening them out. I naturally have one side of my mouth that raises more than the other.
Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree.
That's a really, really nice red. I always end up getting it on my teeth when I do red. So actually, it's not that bad, is it, with the eyes? But yeah, it's not sticky or anything like that. They do set quite nice. I say I used to use these years ago all the time, but yeah, I like it. So there's all the products from the Glossybox calendar. I have to say, I did actually enjoy most of them. So the only one that I was a little bit unsure about was the highlighter palette. Quite underwhelmed because I was quite looking forward to using that. The pencil, as I say, it's a good pencil. It's just not, I wouldn't normally go for the thicker ones. Yeah, and I love that hair stuff. That's really, really good. Definitely recommend that. And I love this lip colour. I love it. So yeah, definitely a thumbs up for most of those products from me. So I'm excited to see what's in next week's boxes now. So yeah, that will be up next Friday. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you found it useful. If you did, obviously please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM, give or take. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.
To see you again, baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.